pre-trade-in regret. Is that a thing? Only time will tell. Well, good afternoon, folks. I forgot how to do this there for a minute. It's been quite a while, it seems. I've not really been out on the bike at all in 2024, other than going to a hospital appointment once, and then I took the CB up to my work, swapped it over with the GS. And I can't remember how, but somehow I ended up with both bikes back at my work, where I could do some routine maintenance, etc. On this one mostly. So I've just been wasting away looking online, hunting down a new bike. I've been doing that really since the turn of the year, I reckon. I'd planned on just getting rid of the CB and getting something a bit bigger and keeping the GS, because I actually still love the GS. I still love this as well actually, but more to look at than to ride, although it's a lot faster than the GS. But it's just a bit too crammed. I feel quite hunched over on it, which is bizarre, when it was almost the exact same riding position as my MT125 that I rode for 2 years. So no gear shift indicator on this. And it's something, when you've not got it, you think, why would you ever need one of them? Then as soon as they take it away, you're learning all over again. But the new bike, it'll definitely have a gear shift indicator on it. It's the way they're all going. Oh goodness, slippy surface beneath my feet there. Oops, there we go with the horn. I wouldn't miss that about your little Honda. So I'm just out for a little spin on this after doing all the service work on it. I'd planned to do 50 to 100 miles on it, but I've actually told bike dealerships now how many miles are on my bike, and I was guessing it, and I've not left myself too much of a margin to play with, so I can't really go over 6,700 on this. But no, it's been a great little bike. I've enjoyed owning it and riding it. And jumping on this after the GS, it still feels very fast compared to the GS. Not that I would say the GS feels very slow, in particular on these sorts of roads. But when you're travelling and overtaking, this has got way more power than the GS has in them situations. So as you may have seen in my previous video, I'm getting rid of both my bikes for one bike. And it makes a lot of sense. More so if you're not riding, which most folk aren't in the winter. But for the last few weeks now, I've been looking at two bikes in my work, day in, day out. Not been able to go out on them. Sad stuff. So I think the answer would be a couple of bike covers. Goodness, that sun is bright.
So it must be about 6 weeks maybe since I was last out. I'm sure it was the 29th of December or the 30th of December, something like that. So I'd just like to give a little shout out to Redbomb, aka Dave, the Peaky Biker, aka Brian, and Exeter Rider, aka Steve. And these guys all put on live streams, some more frequently than others, but these live streams are brilliant. They keep me sane to a certain degree. So I sent them out a little gift each, which was a John Die Hard McClane mug with me on it up at St Andrews. So I sent them out to the guys, so thankfully they got them all. So I'm glad you liked them, lads. Cheers again.
Well, that was nice. God, look at the colour of her already. So she'll be getting a couple of hours of attention. But she's pretty clean to start with, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'll go and ride the G310 GS as well and give it a final ride, but I think that will happen tomorrow. So no, it's been a great bike this. I've enjoyed owning it, and it's a lovely looking bike in my opinion. But onwards and upwards, as I keep saying. So take care folks. Peace out. Take care. Cheers.